Hi, it's Eric Lee with Starfish Coaching. Being the CEO or the leader of a team is not an easy job. But if you really understand and do these three important tasks, then it could be simple. I'm not saying that running a business is easy, but it's quite simple if you understand these three important tasks that you have to do as a business leader. In a previous video, I gave you tips for scaling a business, and I talked about how you need to be a different entrepreneur when you're going from a startup of a business to when you're scaling a business. Click here to watch that video. In this video, I want to share with you the three most important things that you need to do as an entrepreneur or a CEO who is scaling a business and growing a team. 1. Create and clearly communicate your organization's vision, mission, and value. I repeat this to all my clients, I find, because people just do not do enough. As the business owner and leader, your job is to understand and discover your own organization's vision, mission, and value. If you have partners or a management team, then you can discover that together as a group. However you do it, it needs to be crystal clear in describing the essence of your organization, why it exists, where it's going, and what are its core values. Once you understand this, then you need to communicate that to your people on a level that they get it deep down inside. People on average needs to hear a message 7 times before they really absorb it. So do this often, do it in your town hall meetings, your trainings, your social events, just do it regularly. When everyone in your organization is on the same page with this, then they will row in the same direction and understand the mission that you're on. This is like a tactical team getting their debrief before they are deployed to their next mission. If you don't communicate this to your team, then it's like sending your troops out on a mission without a debrief. They don't know what the objective is and they don't really understand the mission. You can see how that would fail. If you can do this successfully, then it will also help you greatly in your next important task, which is, number 2, assemble an all-star team. Yes, your job as a CEO or business leader is to find the right people that aligns with your company's values, resonates with your vision and mission. This is the concept of getting the right people in the right seats on the right bus. I talked about this in my previous video. When you can do this, then you'll find your job becomes a lot easier. The problem, of course, is that many people only look to see if the new hire that they have in front of them has the right skills and gloss over the soft skills and the culture fit. I, for one, would take someone that fits well with the team in terms of personality, values, and attitude over someone that has all the technical hard skills. With the right people, doing what they love to do, you have a team that is primed to go to the big leagues, and that's what you want to do. The third most important task for you as the CEO and business leader is to systematize your unique recipe. Once you've assembled the right team that aligns with your values and sees your vision and resonates with your mission, then you need to systematize your unique recipe. Every organization that has made it past their startup years will have a unique recipe in how they do things. Oftentimes, it's their unique process in the way that they do things which has brought consistent results for them. You need to understand what that is for yourself and systematize it in such a simple process that everyone in the team can follow. As a solopreneur, this is not as important because you have it all in your mind and that's cool because there's only you. But when you start building a team, this is critical. And the bigger your team, the simpler your process needs to be so that it can be trained and duplicated easier without mistakes. If you perform these 3 tasks well, then you will have a team that is passionate about your organization's mission and a simple recipe for success that they can execute on. At this stage, you will have created what I like to call the goose that lays the golden egg. And that is when you can truly have work-life balance, have the ability to vacation without worrying about your organization. You've created a sustainable company that generates consistent revenue instead of the early days of your organization where you basically bought yourself a job as a solopreneur in a startup. You don't know when the next paycheck is coming or if it will be covered, and you worry about the next deal. I hope this video has given you some insights. If it has, please consider subscribing to my channel and pass it along to others who you think can benefit from it. I'm Eric Lee, and I can turbocharge your success.